Okay. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, let me introduce myself. Thank you for having me. My name is Muhammad Ibnu Sobri. I'm 17 years old and I'm a final student at Madinah Darajah Islamic Boarding School. It is a great honor to be here today. Okay, now I'm studying in Madinah Darajah Islamic Boarding School. It's same level with junior and senior high school. Throughout junior and senior high school, I consistently ranked at the top of my class and was repeatedly recognized with highest academic achievement award. And this achievement award it is my motivation to me for studying in Madinah Najah. Okay, in boarding school life, I educated to be disciplined person because the daily activities in this boarding school should to me to always on time all of agendas, and I should equalize between school's agendas and prayer time. I always pray for 5 times on one day, and I do that day by day for 6 years. Okay, I'm study diligently in Madinah Najah, and I learn much about life in here, and I also learning about English language and Arabic language. Okay, and that is a good experience for me, and I will remember that until I'm going to be old man. Okay, that's bisa. And Wan ibn Mas'ud radhiyallahu anhu qala ya Rasulullah ayul amali ahabu ilallah qala al salatu ala waqtiha qultu summa ayu birrul walidain qultu summa ayu al jihadu fi sabilillah. Ibnu Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, I asked, which action is dearest to Allah? He, peace be upon him, replied, performing a salat at its earliest fixed time. I asked, what is next? He, peace be upon him, said, kindness toward parents. I asked, what is next? He, peace be upon him, said, to participate in jihad in the cause of Allah. Maybe just this for me.
Okay. So, what do you think about going to the masjid every day on time before the prayer time? Is it good for students to do it every day?
Yes, it is good for student going to masjid for prayer salat.
So, what about the time? The time for you to study. You said that you are a diligent person, a diligent student. When do you usually study?
I'm usually study after I wake up from my bed. This little time for I study before I going to the masjid for prayer subuh, and I also studying at night because the night is long of time and I can study in at the night. It's very good for me.
How can you study in a short time after subuh? It's just a short time. Is it possible for you to study?
Yes, it is possible for me to study because the short time is I just only use that time for memorizing. Yes, because the memorizing after subuh is very good for me.
Okay. Now, what about learning computer? When do you usually learn about computer? Because I see you are so busy in your daily activity for in boarding school. How can you study computer?
I study computer is maybe just in the evening because the evening is the nothing busy for me, and I can study about computer with my laptop. Okay, and I searching with media YouTube, and I searching many of lesson for computer in the laptop, especially in YouTube. So,
Okay, now what about the language? How many language do you study in Madinatul Najah?
I learning 3 language in Madinah Najah, Mister. It is
Okay.
English language, Arabic language, and Turkish language, Mister. It's for
Okay.
beginner for me.
So you study about Turkish also.
Yes.
Is it a beginner level
Yes.
or medium level or intermediate or excellent level?
Is for beginner level, Mister.
Okay. So what do you study about Turkish language?
I'm study Turkish language with Mr. Skirno, Mister.
Okay.
When I'm in class 4.
Who is he?
He's my teacher for tafsir lesson, and him also teaching about Turkish language because he was student in Turkey, and he can teaching to me about Turkish language, Mister.
What did he study in Turkey?
He study about tahfiz and studying about tahfiz.
Okay.
Only just that.
And what makes you disciplined in Madinatul Najah and get first place in your class every year? What makes you strong?
Okay. The thing who make me strong is the prayer for Allah. I ask to Allah. Uh, so I ask to Allah for my study, for easily for study, and I can memorizing fastly for lesson, and I must equalize between the prayer and my study.
Okay, brother. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.